स्टेट इन्फॉर्मेशन कमिशनर्स आणि स्टेट चीफ इन्फॉर्मेशन कमिशनर, स्टेट इन्फॉर्मेशन कमिशनर 2 जाण आणि स्टेट चीफ इन्फॉर्मेशन कमिशनर एकटो अशांची निवड खूप काळ उरलेली. आम्ही एडवर्टिजमेंट दिवन एडवर्टिजमेंट 31/12/2014 आयिल्ली आणि एप्लिकेशन्स मागयल्ली. Accordingly, for the 2 posts of State Information Commissioners, 48 applications were received. जेतूंतली 13 were shortlisted by the screening committee, and for the post of State Chief Information Commissioner, we had received 14 number of applications, of which 5 applications were shortlisted by the committee. जी असली ती it was a 3-member committee. हांव आसलो, मागीर डेप्युटी CM आसलो आणि लीडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशन आसलो. मागीर तांचो इंटरव्यू हें जावन जे स्टेट इन्फॉर्मेशन कमिशनर्स म्हणून 2 जाणांची नांवां रिकमेंड जाल्ली. मिस प्रतिमा वेर्णेकार आणि श्री जुइनो डिसोजा. फॉर द पोस्ट ऑफ State Chief Information Commissioner, the name of Shri Prashant S.P. Tendolkar. All these 3 names were unanimously recommended. त्याच्यानंतर जो फॉर्मॅलिटीज असतात, कॅरेक्टर एंटीसिडेंट्स वगैरे, मेडिकल फिटनेस, ह्यो सगळ्यो गोष्टी जाल्यात. And therefore the cabinet has resolved to approve to send the recommendations to Honorable Governor to appoint Shri Prashant S.P. Tendolkar for the post of State Chief Information Commissioner, and to appoint Miss Pratima Vernekar and Shri Joino D'Souza for the 2 posts of State Information Commissioner.